Hey, I wasn't expecting you here right now, but the first time I powered up the Skytech Legacy 4, it didn't just run games, it felt like my whole setup finally clicked. Before you go any deeper, take a moment to check the current price and stock. High-end desktops like this don't stay steadily priced or easy to find for long, and hesitation is exactly how people end up watching prices rise or units sell out. This machine isn't for someone who's okay with dropped frames, texture pop-ins, or slow load times and just calls that normal. It's for the person who feels every frame, every effect, every transition, who knows when performance dips and thought maybe this is just how it is. I was right there too, pushing through settings that should feel smooth but never did. Until this rig. The instant I fired up a demanding title and saw everything stay fluid, stable, and responsive, I felt this quiet wave of relief, like I'd stopped convincing myself that compromise was acceptable. Once you live with that level of performance, anything less starts to feel like you're settling instead of enjoying what you love. I've used this desktop in every scenario that matters: high-fidelity AAA games that push textures and lighting to extremes, creative workloads where rendering feels like it's actually done instead of taking forever, and multitasking sessions where dozens of apps can be open without a second lost to lag. That Ultra 9285K CPU stays composed under pressure, and the RTX 5080 with 16GB doesn't just handle visuals, it owns them. Day-to-day use feels confident instead of cautious, and moments that used to feel like busy work now feel fast and intentional. This isn't about a spec sheet, it's about the feeling that every part of your setup just keeps up with you. Take another glance at the current price while you're thinking this through. Waiting for a better deal is exactly how people end up watching prices climb or missing availability entirely. If you're hesitating, that's just your mind comparing this to gear you'd tolerated before. But once you experience responsiveness that feels natural, clarity that stays sharp even in intense scenes, and workflows that never make you hold your breath, everything weaker starts to feel like something you used to accept, not something you want anymore. One surprise I didn't expect was how calm everything felt, not loud and overwhelming, but composed, intentional, and confident. Games feel fluid and precise, visuals stay rich and detailed, workloads stay quick and steady, multitasking feels effortless, it makes lesser rigs feel slow. It's absolutely a performance jump. You'll feel the difference daily. At some point you stop spinning through comparisons and choose the machine that already feels right in your gut. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay and then regret every time you sit down and think, I wish this felt smoother and more powerful. Check the current price and make the choice that finally matches how you want to play, create, and perform.